Oh my god, it's so savory and crispy. I can't wait to eat them all. Hi spices lovers! I would like to share this delicious snacks called Indonesian crunchy beef pancake or martabak telur. It's easy to make and so yummy. Okay, you just need one package lumpia wrappers, about 25 sheets, and then vegetable oils, eggs, cumin, coriander, turmeric, 1 cube chicken bullion, salt and white pepper, and then garlic, red onion or shallots, and spring onions. Those onions and spring onions and garlic peeled and sliced thinly. And of course we need ground beef or chicken. Now it's time to cook. So we're gonna make the filling first. So heat the oil and saute spices about 2-3 minutes until the smell so fragrance of the spices we use. We saute. Now the time to add the meat and cook the meat until well done. Saute the meat with the spices until well done. It's about 10 minutes. Wow, the smell is so good now. And you see the lump, if you find a lump like that, so you have to crush it. So no lumps. And now time to add onion, garlic and spring onion that we sliced before, and continue sauteing for about 2-3 minutes till it's mixed well. So we don't need to wait until the onions really cook, because we don't need that. We need to turn off the heat right now. Now the filling is done. Remove from the heat, and we start to wrap the filling. So before we wrap the filling, we need to beat 5 eggs. Beat them well. We're gonna use this for the filling and also for the dipping for the pancake before we fry them. So to make the martabak, take a lumpia wrapper, place in the center 1 tablespoon of filling, and then add 2 tablespoons or 3 tablespoons of beaten eggs. And now the time to fold in the sides and ends to completely enclose the filling and fluffation, just like this. And we can use the eggs as the glue to make the pockets stick really well. So we're gonna finish the rest. Hold them well, and don't forget for the lumpia wrapper you have to cover with damp paper towel so they won't go dry. and let's finish them all. And now time to fry them. Heat the oil, and before we deep fry the martabak, we dip into the beaten egg, and then we fry them. You see the egg layer make it look bubbly and make it so crunchy too, and the taste also make it much better. And let's fry them all. Fry it until golden brown on one side, and turn and fry the other side. When the color's turning golden brown, it's done. Remove from the heat and time to enjoy. You can enjoy this martabak with cucumber pickles, or I love the spicy one, so I eat them with Indian chilies. That's optional for you.
Kita coba ini martabak telur mininya. Dengan cabai rawitnya. So crispy, tendery, dan rasa daging dengan bumbu-bumbu rempahnya itu begitu maknyus, so good. You have to try this martabak mini telur mini. It's really good and savory and crispy.